Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change voice settings on Windows 11. So if you want your Windows 11 PC to talk back in a brand new voice, today I'll show you how to change the voice settings for narrator, text-to-speech and more so your PC sounds just the way you want. So first you can open settings by pressing Windows plus I and then go to the accessibility and here click on or find the speech option, this one. And then you can just change the voice. So under speech, you'll find options for voice selections, this one. And here you can also go to the time and language and click on speech options in here. And here, this is the voice option. You can just click on the drop down to see different voices installed on your PC. Let's try this one. For example, if you want to hear or preview the voice, you can just tap on this preview voice options like this. You can see it comes with a different languages. I think this one is English and the other one, let's find this one. This one is on my mother tongue, Indonesia. So you can just choose the voice that you want. You can also adjust the voice settings. You can make it slower or faster by swiping this to the left or right. And that's it. Now your Windows 11 PC has a fresh new voice. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.